All right, we are rolling again. It is September 9th, Tuesday morning. It's about 8:30. Had to take my kid to school and figure I'd come out here and do some early fall morning fishing before I got to go back to work tomorrow. So I've got my registration in for my kayak, registered at his boat so I could put my electric trolling motor on. So I got that and I got the trolling motor hooked up. So we'll see how it goes. Let's get it. Alright, we got a bass. Oh no, that is just a jumbo perch. Oh my gosh. That is a big perch. I don't like those treble hooks flopping around. Look how big that perch is. That's a big dude. Get you on Dave's log. Well, if we get a mess of you guys, that'd be all right. You're not going to stay on there very well, are you? Oh, man, those spines are sharp. Oh. All right, bud. Well, I'm going to put you back. There you go. You grow bigger. There we go, there's good fish. Right when I say I wish the bass were biting good, I get a good bass. Yeah, that's a nice bass. Put that dude in the net. All right. Finally. Got a bass on deck. Caught a bass with a bass lure. Funny how that goes. Just stick my hand in there. Decent little 12, 14 incher. Nice little bass. You need to go back and go bigger. Simba. Oof. All right, bud. Off you go. Thank you. never good when you're out of Mountain Dew. So, time for a tactical reload. Oh yeah. Can't imagine fishing without Mountain Dew. Go fish on. It's fighting good. Another nice bass caught on the bass lure. Same size as the last one. Pretty good though. Good fish. Good fight. Thanks, dude. Hey, you go back and tell your story. Good. Oop. Weeds right there. It's perch. That's not a perch, that's a bass. Another nice bucket mouth. Ooh, he's even bigger. Well, I got a good picture of you, dude. You want to be on Dave's log? You're going to be the first bass of the day on Dave's log. Nice. Probably 14, 15 inches. Good fish. Good healthy dude. Look at the belly on that dude. A largemouth bass, whole bucket mouths. Cool fish. Thanks, dude. Ooh. Little tail splash. that's a little perch. Oh, did he get off? No, he's still on there. Yeah, that's perch. Oh no, that's a little bass. Dang, dude, what are you thinking? Look at the size difference. We got one in his mouth, so we definitely tried to eat it. Eyes are a little big for your stomach there, bud. Man, look at that toad. Probably 5.5 pounder at least. Better be careful. 2 hands putting him back. See you later, buddy. Man, these little bass are all over it now. Where's your big brothers? Trying not to get my line too. This dude is all tangled up. All right, off you go, bud. Oh, there's some thunder. That's not good. And not the AC/DC thunder. Well, I think that's going to do it for the trip today. If that storm gets any closer, it's going to get me and I'm going to be in a bad way. So there's the boat dock, or the boat ramp, and my truck there, so I'm gonna call it. Felt good to get back out on the water. Learned some new things about having a trolling motor on my kayak. Works out pretty good. Just gotta tweak a few more things, and caught some bass. Caught a pretty good biggest perch I think I've ever caught, 10.5 inches or 10.25 or something. Didn't keep them, I tossed them back, but caught a few more bass, about 12 to 14 inches, and a bunch of small ones, and it was a good day. So we'll do it again next time. We'll see you.